noticed that Julie's filming all of Karen in the hope that something happened.
In the hope that I'm like, move.
You could encourage it.
Oh.
Oh, that's so harsh.
It's like being on the swinging bridge.
Yeah.
But I ain't gonna start bouncing up and down.
You're doing so good, Karen. You're just strong and steady.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah.
I'll make it there in one piece.
Mom is gonna love to see this.
See, when Julie told me about this, she's like, it's a zip line and rope course. And I'm like, oh, that'll be fun, right?
Not, it's a rope course.
Yeah, I look at the video and I'm like, that's a lot. I mean, it's a rope course with one zip line.
It's a lot better this way. It's like
It's alright, you're right. Like, this is actually really cool. I was like, this is awesome.
people always like, they get a bit gutted and then they actually, I think at the end of it, they're like, I think they'll be more pleased
Oh, yeah.
than doing a zip line.
Oh, yeah.
Doing like
you
5 big
accomplished
zip lines, you'd be like, sweet, you know, after the first